All right, fam, let's be real. No one's trying to spend their summer scrubbing the pool like it's a part-time job. Here are 5 above-ground pool vacuums that do the dirty work, while you and the lads just chill. Let's dive in. 1. Dolphin E10 Robotic Pool Cleaner. This one's basically the Tesla of pool cleaners. Just plug it in, drop it in, and boom. It maps your pool and goes to work. It scrubs up all the dirt and gunk in just 90 minutes. No cords tangled, no stress. Perfect if you're too lazy to even think about cleaning, but still want your pool looking 10 out of 10. It's a little pricey, but trust, it's worth every coin. 2. Aiper Seagull SE Cordless Robotic Cleaner. No cords equals no chaos. This thing is straight up wireless freedom. Charge it up, toss it in, and it'll go to town cleaning your pool for 90 minutes. And the best part? When it's done, it parks itself at the wall for you to pick it up. Lightweight, super slick, and low-key genius. This is for the techie fam who want convenience and clean vibes. 3. Hayward W560 AquaBug. It looks like a bug, but this little guy is a beast at cleaning. You hook it up to your pool's suction line and just let it roam. It glides around, sucking up debris like a Roomba for your pool. No electronics, no battery, no drama, just classic suction power. Perfect for the budget-conscious pool gang who want cute plus capable. 4. Pool Blaster Max Lee. If you're the type to spot a leaf and need it gone instantly, this one's your vibe. It's handheld, super powerful, and you don't need hoses or cords. Just grab it and clean. Dead leaves, sand, bugs, whatever. Rechargeable, fast, and satisfying to use. It's like a vacuum sword for pool ninjas. 5. Intex Auto Pool Cleaner. Own an Intex pool? This baby is built for it. You plug it into the outlet inside your pool, and it uses water pressure to move and suck up junk. Not the flashiest, but it's affordable, chill, and it gets the job done. And that's the tea, lads. Your pool deserves to be clean while you just float around like royalty. So which one's your vibe? Drop it in the comments, smash that like, hit follow, and subscribe if you're trying to level up your summer game.